Brickery's Grill. First time. It's good, honestly. It looks really good. Cordova Mall. Good. Ooh, the green beans are really good. Actually, right? Oh yeah, Brickery's they do the green beans good. I like the sweet and sour chicken too. How is? Ooh. 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 Okay. Sweet and spicy. Right?
Chinese restaurant. We always eat in.
I know. We always eat at the Walkaholic. I actually like this a lot though. Which is better?
I don't know, both, but.
Yeah. Right now, this one. I feel like this one, if we could maybe get the chicken from Walkaholic, the green beans from there, and the fried rice from here or there, I'd probably be the most happy with it.
I like the chicken. The other one is more.
Oh yeah.
Not egg fried.
Yeah. This is suave.
And they give us two sauce.
Alright. Eat all these green beans.
Like.
So how many weeks pregnant are you then?
I guess this is my 12.
12 weeks pregnant? I thought you were 10 weeks. I've been telling everyone you're 10 weeks.
11 maybe. No, close to 12.
So what is that? How many weeks do you have left? 20 weeks? 30 weeks? Oh my god. And when will they understand what's happening in this video? 5 years from now? 3 years? They'll understand what we're doing. Oh, our kid's gonna be smart. Yeah. Solid. Super, super, super solid. What's your rating, baby? What's your rating? Out of 10.
Nine.
Okay, Brickeries. Okay, Brickeries. Okay.